There's breaking news coming in. There's an encounter at Manihal in Shopian. 4 terrorists have been eliminated. 1 AK series rifle, 2 pistols have been recovered. There is a joint operation that is going on, which is still in progress as we speak. The security forces have blown up the hideout of the terrorists. DG Dilbagh Singh of the Jammu and Kashmir Police has told India Today that based on a specific input, an operation was launched by Shopian Police and Army at the Manihal village of Shopian district. He has gone ahead and added that late last evening, the encounter started. The Army, by morning, there were 3 terrorists that were killed by the Army and another one was eliminated subsequently. Ashraf Vani joins us live for the very latest reporting from Srinagar. Ashraf, this is a big breaking story coming in from the valley at the moment. Good news is that our security forces have eliminated few of the terrorists. This was, of course, based on some specific inputs that were received by the Indian Army, and the joint operation, as we understand, is underway. If you could bring us up to speed with more developments.
Cheti, absolutely. This encounter started yesterday late evening when there was a specific input with the security forces. Then the joint operation was launched by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and then CRPF and the Army. And today morning, the Army claims now the 4 militants have been killed and this operation is now over. This is the second major encounter in the Shopian district during last 1 week. Earlier, we have seen top Jaish commander Sajjad Afghani was killed with his associate in the same district, and now 7 days later, another encounter in the Shopian district's Imam Sahab area. Melhar is the village where this encounter took place, and the 4 militants have been killed. Arms and ammunition and the bodies have been recovered by the police. But Cheti, there is some kind of a problem which the security forces are facing. That is, the clashes are going on near the encounter site. We have seen once again the stone pelting and the clashes by the youths near the encounter sites had started. Last week we have seen in the same situation when 4 civilians including some protesters got injured in those clashes. And today the top priority by the police will be to curb these protesters which are going on near the encounter site, because the killed militants are believed being the locals, and still their identification is being verified so that their bodies could be taken to the police. But so far the encounter is over. 4 militants have been killed, which has been confirmed by the Army. There was only input about the presence of 2 to 3 militants in the area.
All right.
But now 4 militants killed in this operation. Still the operation and search is going on.
Thanks, Ashraf.